I'm originally from San Francisco. I was born on Christmas. In our family, Jesus' birthday came first, but we also do a big birthday party for me.
I grew up in Massy, about 30 minutes outside of Paris, but I'd always dreamed about moving to the US.
After studying abroad in California, Ronan started his tech career in San Francisco, where he met Laura, a teacher.
The night that he made crepes, I knew it was something special.
We just got married in Paris.
And we're half-baked.
We love San Francisco, but I felt very homesick. My dad had a pretty bad stroke. I wanted to be close to help him recover, but also we wanted to start a family, and so we thought it was a better suited environment to do that in France.
The government provides a lot of childcare benefits.
We both were fortunate to get jobs lined up.
We're taking about a 50% pay cut, which is huge. How does it feel to be sleeping in your childhood bed?
Great. We're living in my parents' home while we get all of our ducks in a row.
I'm grateful to be here, but I'm ready to move in and live with just my husband. My life is one massive change after another, and what I need more than anything right now is to find a stable place to start our family. But also, this will be my first Christmas without my family, so I want to do it big in Paris. I've always thought this is a city that I could never get bored of. There's just something magical about it.
Especially around the holidays. I'm really excited to show Laura around the time of Christmas in Paris. It's just mainly the lights. The days are really short around Christmas time. It's nighttime around 4:30 p.m. and the city really takes advantage. It's absolutely beautiful.
I'm excited to get to know all the different arrondissements.
Pull it up.
Okay.
And there you go.
To see what makes each of them unique. This will be my daily commute. That's wild.
It's real slim pickings with the rental market at the moment. There was already a shortage, and lots of places have been purchased for holiday rentals.
The Eiffel Tower on my walk to work. Pinch me.
She definitely needs a reality check. I mean, being centrally located is extremely competitive. I grew up in the suburbs, which was not really the same as city living. This is actually my parents' home. We're staying with them at the moment. I would be totally fine outside of the center.
Absolutely not. I want to make sure we have enough space to host family and friends. Like, I'm talking, my mom might come for a month, but also I want to be in a beautiful neighborhood in Paris. I work in the 16th. It's about an hour from here.
Yeah.
So ideally, I'd like to cut that down to 30 minutes.
And I work from home, so it's a little bit more flexible. I need space for an office.
And I take it you're looking for a 2-bedroom apartment with the little one on the way.
That's right.
But a bigger space would be ideal. I'm hoping to host family and friends for like weeks at a time.
That second bedroom needs to be a decent
Quite
size.
big.
I'm willing to compromise on the size.
Okay.
As long as it's got an open floor plan and a really nice kitchen.
I don't care as much about that. It's my first Christmas not in the States with my family, so I want something special.
So that brings me to the important question.
$2,300 a month.
I mean, how do you feel about coming out of Paris a little bit?
I wouldn't be super happy.
I think Ronan has a very good grasp because he's on his home turf. Well, let's catch our train. But Laura, she's going to have to bring her expectations down a bit. So I've brought you to the south side.
This will be super close to your work, Laura.
It's about a 30-minute walk. It's on the 5th floor. It has an elevator, 2 decent-sized bedrooms, and 3 balconies.
Whoa.
No way.
But you're paying for the location. It's 24
Ooh.
to 60. It's an exclusive area.
Big entrance. Okay, you did
Yes.
not disappoint.
Whoa. It's so bright and airy. Furnished, right?
Yeah, including the high chair stays.
This is the universe telling us to move in here.
That's a sign. The kitchen is basic, but
Okay.
at least it's open.
I can imagine a Christmas tree over here in the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we move the light to this side. We put the tree here. We spread the presents. We hang our stockings here. There's so much potential to make this place filled with holiday cheer.
You've got one of the 3 balconies
Oh,
over
yes.
Oh, we are shrouded in light. This is cool.
I like it.
Yeah, I can understand why it's a little bit pricier. This apartment is spacious and it has a family presence to it, especially that big open living room space where we can set up our tree. We're gonna have our first Christmas here and I can see it.
I thought for a chef enthusiast like me, there would be a little bit more nice features and finishes.
For 2,300. I'm not sure what he's expecting. Down here we have the bathroom. Really decent size.
Very good size.
Yeah, this is huge.
And then the main bedroom is just through here, with its own balcony.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. I'm falling in love. Just gonna forget about the price.
It's all about location. That's what you're paying for if you want to be in the 16th. So this is the second of the 2 bedrooms.
Kids' room.
It's
Look
got-
at this. Make a wish.
And it even has a desk.
I mean, would this work as the multi-purpose space that you was looking for?
Absolutely.
Maybe a little bit too big?
No.
I don't know if we would need all that space.
I disagree. I actually thought that this was the perfect size. I don't think any smaller would be comfortable for guests, no?
I think scaling back on the size of the overall place, that's not an issue for me. I think it's cozy.
I don't need a massive apartment, but we're newlyweds and I think we could use a little bit more privacy. This neighborhood is quite lovely. I really appreciate its proximity to work. It seems like a really lively place to live, especially in comparison to Massy.
But that's contributing to a higher price tag as well. So we might have to look maybe a little bit outside of the city center. Sorry.
Ooh, we got some sexy mermen. I love Christmas in part because Christmas is my birthday. Leading up to Christmas, we had all kinds of traditions. And then on the day, we do a Jeopardy game all about me. My goodness.
This is ridiculous. It happens that we French love Christmas as well. It's really an awesome time to be in the Paris area. I mean, the city of lights lights up even more during this time. And my family take also Christmas very seriously.
Ne bouge pas, je te montre quelque chose.
My mom sets up a beautiful nativity scene. She's got over 100 santons, these little figurines that can make a Christmas village. So I'm really excited for Laura to be part of that.
Birthday twins.
I'll make sure he doesn't steal the thunder from you for Christmas. I mean, this move has been definitely a challenge. We're leaving a place behind that felt like home.
I'm incredibly nervous and overwhelmed by the prospect of having to start from scratch. Navigating all of that in a quick period of time has been really stressful.
With both Christmas and the baby's due date looming, Ronan and Laura are hoping to settle into Parisian life just in time to celebrate the holidays. But with their lofty wishes, they may need an angel, not an agent.
It's impossible to have all of that space within what they're looking to spend. Being just slightly out, we can get a lot more for our money.
Oh, oh, oh.
That was rude.
To like let people out
I know,
first
but the
before you
dog-
come in.
I thought I was gonna miss the train.
I'm really keen to show them an apartment out of the city so they can see that they can get their perfect apartment for less.
How close are we to work?
Be about 30 minutes on the metro.
Okay, that's not so bad.
I have brought you to Vanves. It's a suburb just south of Paris.
This is not what I imagined when you said suburb.
And that's the kind of compromise that we might need to make.
Laura, you'll be really excited to know that they have an amazing Christmas market
Oh,
down on the
yay!
Place de la République. Yeah.
Awesome.
And the place I want to show you is in this building here. It's a 2-bedroom. On the 2nd floor, it has an open-plan living area with a chef's kitchen. And it's on the market at $2,000 a month.
Yes,
Oh,
that's perfect.
yeah,
What's
it's
the
nice.
catch?
It's the size of the 2nd bedroom. So come on in. We have a little foyer which leads into open-plan living area.
Wow.
Wow, look at these finishes. I mean, the old hardwood floors.
They're
and the
gorgeous.
Crown molding
Yeah.
as well.
Crown molding. A lot of blue, but this is a good size.
All the furniture you see stays.
Oh,
That's
great.
nice.
Okay.
What do you think about the kitchen?
I like it.
Yeah.
You have a wine fridge.
Cool.
And what is this?
It's a plate warmer.
Wow, that's incredible. I can cook meals for you and they stay warm and they're ready for when you arrive.
Ronan's face as he saw the amazing kitchen. I wish I could have taken a photo.
I am in love with this kitchen.
Maybe the tree here, our presents. What about the stockings?
Maybe hanging from that table?
Okay, okay. The first impression is great. This could be the perfect place to celebrate the holidays.
Yeah, it's very close to my parents' home as well, so it makes it very convenient. The zip code is not Paris, but it is just like being in Paris.
I'm gonna disagree with that.
The 2nd bedroom is over here on the other side of the living
Okay.
area.
Okay.
Looks like it's baby ready, but it is really small.
Yeah, so this would have to be my office, the guest bedroom, and the baby's room.
How could this be a guest bedroom? No way we could put a bed in here. It's impossible.
So you don't think you can make it work?
No.
Okay.
This place is a dream, but the second bedroom was kind of a nightmarish moment for me. I can't imagine raising our first baby in that room.
I think she's very unrealistic. For $2,000 a month, this is a decent size flat. This is the main bedroom, which is a great size.
Wow, yeah, this is big.
Very big.
All things considered, this is a good space. Feeling better?
Eleanor is definitely hitting all the check boxes with this apartment. I mean, it is a little bit further away from the center, but it's got the open floor plan. Those modern appliances are a dream come true for a chef enthusiast. It's got a second bedroom. Laura is being unreasonable. It's not that small.
I wouldn't even call this place a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a 1.5. It's just not practical.
Okay.
Remember, Ronan and I am making a big sacrifice moving here. You have to understand, the 2 bedrooms is so critical.
Whoa! Oh my God, that's cool.
When people always ask, oh, you're born on Christmas, I bet you hate that because you don't get as many presents. I love being born on Christmas because everyone's off work, there's no school, like you kind of have to be together. And that is such a unique time to have a birthday. So I absolutely love the holidays for that reason. I just love being with the people that I love.
It's very goth, steampunk. I like it.
It's trippy. It's like Santa's Little Helpers, but like,
The underworld.
I feel incredibly grateful to be able to live in the most beautiful city in the world, Paris. But at the same time, leaving San Francisco was really hard for the past 5 years. I was a dean of culture and instruction. Now that I'm in a new country, at a new school, I'm back at square one. Our salaries are also a lot less. And of course, there's that sense of urgency with the baby.
she is giving up a lot. I'm very grateful. Bon, bah, t'es prêt pour ta petite séance de sport, papa? It's super awesome to be close to my parents, to be able to help out, especially with my dad's condition. Super.
Laura and Ronan are moving from the other side of the world. They're giving up 2 really good jobs
We're at the Eiffel Tower.
to start a family in France. And at times I've wondered, wow, are they maybe a bit crazy? The metro isn't always this pleasant, is it, Ronan?
No, it can get pretty crowded.
Yeah.
Pretty smelly.
Anything else?
They have to give on something, and with this apartment, it's the kitchen. So I've brought you to the 14th arrondissement, south of the city, very, very central. But then you've got all this nature.
It's so pretty.
Very charming.
It's about half an hour to your work.
Okay.
And Ronan, we're only 20 minutes away from your mum and dad in Massy.
Wow, this seems like the dream location, really.
It is. It's great for bringing up a family. It's on the 8th floor, but there is an elevator.
Oh, that's nice.
It has 2 decent-sized bedrooms,
Nice.
but separate kitchen. But bear with me, it's 2,200.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
This is a good size.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think it's quite spacious.
It doesn't feel as open as I'd hope, but there's some good light.
I really like this area back here. And
Yes.
look behind you. The chimney has definitely a Christmassy vibe to it, no?
It does. Although I don't know if we could actually like burn wood out of it.
No, you won't be doing that.
In terms of a tree,
If you move the
this
chair.
Yeah, we could set it up here and we could have our Christmas dinner here. I mean, I think the space could work.
Yeah, there's some potential.
Yeah.
Now, this is the second of the 2 bedrooms. They're both the same size.
This is a great size.
Yes.
We have a little desk here where I can grade papers, and we have a lot of natural sunlight once again.
A lot of natural light. Yeah, this could work for our bedroom.
I think so.
Well, like I said, both bedrooms are the same size.
That is music to my ears.
Bathroom is next door.
The tub is really, really big for you.
The toilet is separate here, just on your left.
All right.
But let me show you the second bedroom.
Where is it?
Straight ahead.
Oh, it's pink.
Yeah, kind of reminds me of a doll's bedroom.
Really?
Yeah, it's dated, a lot of pink.
I don't know. I think it's cute. This is my workstation, I'm calling it.
Where would I work
I
at?
thought you already claimed the other one, Laura. But could you make this work as a multi-purpose room?
I think so, yeah. I mean, this is a really nice size.
I
Brilliant.
agree.
Well, that leaves one thing, the kitchen, which I'm slightly worried about, Ronan.
Ooh, no. Kind of like being in the maid's corner.
I was worried you was going to say that.
I guess the oven is decent, but the stove only has 2 burners, and it doesn't even have a dishwasher. Oh, that microwave.
Yeah, it's a sorry microwave.
Yeah.
Do you think there's a way that you could make it work?
Just so separated from the rest of the house. Having an open floor plan was really a must for us.
It's not conducive to those big family moments together. That being said, though, we do have the 2 big bedrooms, which is a really big, important item for me.
Come on. I know that we need to make sacrifices, but this kitchen is the true nightmare for me.
Ronan, you cannot deny the fact that we have the price which you're actually comfortable with. I can see us hosting a really wonderful Christmas in that area.
Yeah, that fireplace, that could be perfect for our Christmas decor.
And in Paris, what more could you ask for? Besides the kitchen, we're not gonna get the perfect place. This, though, is pretty darn close. I think I could live without the kitchen.
With time ticking on their Christmas move to Paris, Ronan and Laura have to decide whether they'll be hanging their stockings in the city or in the suburbs.
Let's start with the luxury in the 16.
So beautiful and big and has the terraces.
And you could walk to work.
Yeah, it's amazing, but it is way more than I was hoping to spend. If you compare that apartment to the one with the really nice kitchen, it's $2,000 a month.
Yeah, it truly is gourmet chef kitchen. I mean, the wine fridge,
And the
plate
wine
warmer,
fridge.
and all those finishes.
The only problem, of course, is the second bedroom.
The second bedroom.
It was so small, especially compared to the place with a separate kitchen. The 2 bedrooms with all the windows, all the natural light.
Very bright.
I know you really like the 14th.
Yeah, I don't think we can beat that location.
And in terms of like a Christmas home, that fireplace place, top of the list.
Yeah, that kitchen though, super outdated, and it was separate. It's
I really like them all, but I'm concerned about the cost of the luxury one,
Yeah.
the one in the 16th.
it's
That's
outside of our
expensive.
price range.
Think about what we could do with that extra money with the baby on the way.
Yeah, I think I'm ready to say goodbye to that one.
Okay. We have our gourmet kitchen in Vannes.
Yeah.
We have our cute fireplace in the 14th of Paris. The big difference between the 2 is one does not have a big second bedroom. The other one does not have a nice kitchen. So what do we choose?
I mean, if it's up to me, the gourmet kitchen one's got a wine fridge, it's got a plate warmer.
Yeah, I love so much about the apartment, but I can't envision hosting my family and friends for long periods of time. I mean, it's just tiny. Alternatively, that place in the 14th, 2 really good-sized bedrooms. I mean, I can see us hosting family and friends there for long periods of time.
I mean, I don't think we'll be hosting guests all year long. I really don't know if I could make the kitchen work.
The kitchen maybe makes more sense to prioritize.
Thank you. And we have a new house for our family.
Yeah, I can't wait to celebrate our first Christmas in Paris.
Me too.
Can't wait to drink that again.
We feel great in our new neighborhood. There's definitely a bit of a cultural adjustment, but connecting with my roots, that feels really good.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed as the city is starting to become a little bit more festive. Paris knows how to go all out with the Christmas decor, and it's been tugging on my heartstrings every time I'm outside.
This year for Christmas, we plan on being at my parents' house.
Assuming we're not at the hospital. I am hitting 35 weeks on Tuesday.
Et donc, je laisse la crèche jusqu'à l'épiphanie.
We've been preparing ourselves for this arrival a lot, and I just can't wait to see what it feels like.
The due date is the 1st of January, but I think it'd be really cool to have the baby on Christmas. That is so cute.
I know.